Alrighty, we are going to make mayonnaise. So we're going to start with a half a cup of unsweetened soy milk. It spits at me. And this is my favorite brand. So we're going to pour that into here. Do a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. Oops, that's a half a tablespoon. Oopsie. Wrong item. Oh my gosh, half a tablespoon. What's wrong with me? Teaspoon. Okay. Teaspoon. Apple cider vinegar. And this is freshly squeezed lemon juice. We're going to use a teaspoon of that. All that in there. And then I'm going to use the same container. I'm going to use no taste olive oil. You can use rapeseed. You can use, I don't know, just about any kind of light-bodied oil, not too heavy. And this requires a full cup because I'm making a full recipe. So, and I'm going to use this stick blender because it's super simple and super simple to clean. Kind of see that's kind of got a chunky texture to it already. So what I'm going to do is put this on the lowest speed to start, which is a 1. Hopefully keeping it in a long container like this will keep the spitting down. And I'm going to set that in there. And we're going to blend with the hand blender with the right hand and pour slowly oil with the left. See how that works. Without suctioning yourself to the bottom. Which is bad. Slowly keep going. Doesn't take very long. You can see it's thick. Again, this is not diet food. Pour the rest of that in. I'll stop that for a second. I'm going to turn it up 1. And you can see, look at how thick that is. Voila! We made mayonnaise. Unplug. See if I can get that off of there. There we go. Get a little spatula. Easy peasy. Took me less than really 5 minutes. Just assemble all your ingredients and kind of go for it. So now you have easy sandwich spread. And I'm going to give this a taste here in just a second as I make a mess. Add a little salt and pepper to taste. Yeah. Actually, I could use just a smidgen more lemon juice. I'm going to put like a half a teaspoon salt. couple of cranks of pepper. I'm just going to stir it now with what I've got. And when I get it to taste the way that I want it to, I'm just going to park it in the refrigerators. And it holds up to about a week. Yep. You know, I like mine with a little tang. Now you can add garlic to this, make like a garlic mayonnaise. You can add a little bit more vinegar and some onion and garlic powder and kind of make like a salad dressing base. This is just the basic. Oh yeah, that's better. There. And it costs pennies.